Back to Further Solutions Academy. In the previous video, I've mentioned I listed some questions, which first one has been solved, the second one is this, and the third one. On this video, I'll be working on this particular part, which is integration by partial fraction. And I think it's a question that was sent by one of our students all the way. I think it's Ghana or something. I don't know. Okay. I think she's preparing for work, and she needs to be. Okay, now don't forget to share, subscribe if you have not subscribed before. I think you are enjoying our video. Try to do that and share across to those that need it. Okay, if you want to learn mathematics, just come to our channel and come. You will be fine with the content. Trust me. Now I have the questions. Says you are to integrate 5x squared x plus 2 divided by s bracket of s squared plus 4 with respect of x. Now, what I've explained earlier, this is known as complex fraction. Please take note that this is called complex fraction. Complex fraction. Complex fraction. Now, there's no way you integrate this. I think it's not possible. When you go a bit advanced, when you get to Laplace, you will learn more about this. You will learn more how to use this very well, Laplace function, and that is just about that. Now I need to work on this. What I need to do, I want to reduce the complex to what? To simple, so that I'll be able to handle it. Now it means I must to go by what? I will resolve to partial fraction. Now resolve to partial fraction. Now I have 5x squared x plus 2 all divided by x bracket of x squared plus 2. Now, how do I solve this? I'll move on again. First thing you check when you are solving partial fraction, check the condition. This is a quadratic, this is a polynomial of degree 2, which is cubic. You are good to go. But if the case is not, if the story change, you must to resolve to what? A polynomial, which is division, long division. Now, it means I will be having a all over x plus, see what I'm doing here. Here will be, this is a quadratic. It might be what? Bx plus c all over what? X squared plus 4. What is strange here is that this is a what? Linear. This is a what? Quadratic. Now, when you put it linear, there will be a gap, and there will be a big problem. At this point, this is called simple fraction. Simple fraction. Now, let me now use my knowledge, which I will be having a bracket of s squared plus 4 plus bx plus c bracket of x equals to, with the help of fraction, I think I should have done that earlier. I think try to watch our video on partial fraction for better understanding. Now, at this point, I want to use open up method, which I'll be having ax squared plus 4a plus bx squared plus cx equals to 5x squared plus x plus 12. Now, since I know this equals to this. Now, ax squared plus bx squared equals to 5x squared, which implies a plus b plus c. Equals to what? 5, equation 1. The same thing, the one that has x. I have this, which I'll be having cx equals to x. It means mine, which implies c equals to 1, equation 2. Now, the last one that has nothing, which I'll be having a 4a, yes, 4a equals to 2. Now, which implies my a equals to 1 all over 2. My a equals to, since I have my a, my c is 1, my a is 1 all over 2. What will be my b? Let's try to look for b. My b from equation 1, I think I can put my 1 all over 2. I'm putting a already in equation 1. plus b equals to 5. If I decide to multiply all by what? By 2, I'll be having 1 plus 2b equals to 10. And 2b equals to 10 minus, which is going to be 9. Please, you should know that by now. My b will be equals to 9 all over 2. My b is equals to 9 all over 2. My b equals to 9 all over 2. Now, yes, 9 all over 2 plus 1 all over 2. What will it be? 9. I want to just test 1 all over 2 plus 9 all over 2, which is going to be what? 10, which is going to be 5. I think it's very correct. Now, I'm just checking for what I've done. With this, I cannot continue by having my a all over x plus bx plus c all over s squared plus 4. Don't forget, I'm asked to integrate with respect. Now, I cannot put the value back. What is my a? My a is 1 all over 2. 1 all over 2 x plus, what is my b? My b is 9 all over 2x plus my c is 1 divided by x squared plus 4 with respect of what? X. Now, at this point, I'm good to go, which I have no problem anymore. This, and see, take note of that. I can't draw this down, it's not possible, except I have to remit it, by finding the LCM. We all know that the LCM is going to be, now, at this point, I can now split it by having which integral of 1 all over 2x dx plus, now this one will be 9x plus 2 divided by 2 bracket of x plus 4. This is going to be square. Now, with respect of x integral. Now, I think that is very good. I can now say that what? Here will be 1 all over 2 ln of x plus, this is where the technicality is. Now, what I will just do here is that I can decide to say that, okay, what can I do here? I can decide to say that 9x all over 2 s squared plus 4 with respect of what? The x plus 2 all over 2 s squared plus 4. Now, with respect of x, that is what I'm just to need to work on here. Now, what can I do? I just split the fraction. I split the fraction. Now, if I have 1 all over 2 ln of x plus, now here will be 9 all over 2. Listen to me. Now, when I take this integral of x all over s squared plus 4. Now, if I differentiate this, I will have what? I will have 2 of x. 2 of x, how will I do? It means I will multiply this by what? 1 all over 2 and also 2. Can you see? These 2 we cancel these 2, which is very correct. Now, if I differentiate it, I will have this. It means I can rewrite, okay, plus, please think of these 2 very well. 1 all over 2. Okay, now look at this. This one will be 1, 1. I have integral of 1 divided x squared plus 4, the x. Now, this one will give me 1 all over 2 ln of x plus, here will now be what? 9 all over 4. 9 all over 4 ln of x squared plus 4 plus, here, now, this is integral arctan of integral. When I have this, I have this. This can be represented by what? By 2 squared, which you all know that when I have integral of x squared plus a squared, 1 all over, sorry, with respect of x, here we always have, which is going to be what? 1a, sorry, a of what? Arctan of what? Of x. Arctan of x. Now, since I have this, it means I can answer that what? 2, which will be what? 2 of arctan of what? Inverse of what? X plus k. That is my final answer. That is my final answer. Now, okay, now, I think, oh, sorry, this would be, 1 all over a, also x all over a. I think I make mistake there. Now, since I have this, here will be 1 all over 2 and all over 2. That is what I just need to have there. That is what I need to have there. And that is my answer. That is my answer. Okay, I think I'll be stopping here. The next video, I'll be working on this third equation, third problem. Don't forget to share the video across to your friend and subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Oh, even the question is 12, but I'm using 2, but that should not be a problem. That should not be a problem. I think the step is just correct. Like that is correct. If this is 12, if that is the case, here is 2. Sorry, if that is the case, it means something will happen to number. I think it should not be a problem to you. That's just the case. Okay. Don't forget, you are on with Further Solutions Academy. Kindly share and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.